guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing an Influenster unboxing. I was a part of the Influenster sleek makeup campaign. We got 3 items, so if you are interested in what I got as well as how to get this look with those 3 items, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so I was picked for the sleek makeup campaign from Influenster. All of the products that you see in this video are compliments of Influenster, so thank you Influencer for picking me for this campaign. In the box we got a little card and 3 products. The card shows the 3 products that we got. I'm going to kind of do this like my BoxyCharm unboxings, and I'm just gonna kind of go through and talk about them, and yeah. The first product that we got is their highlighting elixir illuminating drops, and I have not put any foundation on yet because I wanted to put some of the highlighting drops on first and then apply the foundation. So let me apply them and tell you a little bit about them as I'm applying them. So the card says, highlighting elixirs, glow up in an instant with sleek makeups, highlighting elixir illuminating drops. The highlighting elixirs are long lasting, highly pigmented in color, and can be worn alone or mixed with your foundation or loose pigments for that extra glow. It looks like they come in 3 colors. The shade that I'm using today is Poppin' Bottles. It's like a champagne-y color. Okay, it looks like the highlighting elixir drops are about $7 to $9 depending on where you purchase them from. Not disappointed in terms of like comparing them to like a Makeup Revolution highlighting drops or like the Cover Up highlighting drops. These are definitely a little bit more on the like thick side. It's not as like a fluid. It's not so much like liquid. It's definitely more of like an elixir. So I think that mixing with my foundation probably would have been a little bit better than just doing like a full face of highlight first. But my skin is glowing right now. So what I'm going to do is finish the rest of my complexion so that we can come back for the other 2 products. Okay, complexion is done. Before we move on to the other products, which are eye products, I'm just going to take a little bit of the highlighting elixir on my hand. And I'm just going to take a beauty sponge, like a damp one, and I'm just going to pack that highlight on. I think what I like about this Poppin' Bottles is that it's like champagne-y, but it's not like white. Also, I look white. There. Is that better? Okay, so I have used a little bit of eyeshadow on my eyes for like a transition because the next product that we got is a loose pigment. I got the shade Euphoric, which is kind of like a reddish, goldy, peachy pigment, and this is $6.50, $6.50. It comes in 6 shades. Let me swatch it for you. That was probably a terrible swatch. But it's like a red pigment. Euphoric is a red pigment. So as I'm packing this on my eyes, you can listen to me talk about it. Loose pigments. There are endless ways to slay with sleek makeup's new loose pigments. These pigments come in bold metallics and dazzling duochromes for high impact payoff on eyes, cheeks, and lips. Level up your look by mixing with your highlighting elixir. Well, these certainly are pigmented. It definitely shows up a little bit more pink on the lid than I was anticipating it to, as I'm also getting it everywhere. I think I was anticipating it being like a little bit more red, but it ends up showing up like a lot more pink. Not necessarily a problem. Really like it actually. And last but not least, we got a sleek makeup metallic eyeliner, and this comes in 6 colors. It is $6.99. I got the shade Up to No Good. It is silver. Let me swatch it for you. Like, unbelievably pigmented. And the glide on that was like ridiculous. So as I'm putting this on, I'm going to put it on the under eyes only. So as I'm putting this on, let me read it to you. Metallic eyeliners. Shine bright with Sleek Makeup's life-proof 12-hour wear metallic eyeliners. These pencils are majorly creamy and waterproof, letting you smudge it out where needed for perfect eyes that go all day and night. It did glide on effortlessly, that's for sure, and it went in my waterline pretty well. I know I did like a haphazard job, but if these are waterproof and 12-hour wear, these would probably make really great waterline pencils. Love that. Alright, I'm going to go put some top liner on, lashes, and then we will be back for final thoughts. Alright, some liner, mascara, lips. So here is the finished look with the 3 products that we got from the Sleek Makeup Influencer campaign. You know what? Not disappointed. I will say that I think the big winner is this metallic eyeliner. Very pigmented, went on smooth as silk, and it did smudge underneath very well, but like this, look at that. I don't know if you can like pick it up really well, but like the waterline, it's staying. It is not going anywhere. And isn't that what we all want from a waterline pencil? That's all I've got to say. So, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. I will link all of the products that I got from the Influencer campaign down in the description box below, so if you are interested in any of them, you can check them out on your own time. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on another review, tutorial, or unboxing. Thanks so much for watching, guys.